my doubts. Listen to my questions and tell me to let go. Listen to my fears. Listen to my wishes and show